Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at an apartment building that I walked by this morning and found that this is one of the reasons why you don't do your own landscaping unless you really have some talent. Um, Somebody put in black mulch, I suppose in an effort to be dramatic. Um, and uh, and then there's a few plants, one of each kind, dotting along the front of the landscape, uh, and and many of these plants are poor choices for their particular location. So, if we look at this and analyze the landscape, if whoever was doing it had chosen some really large rocks in the front here, that could have really added a lot more scale and made a little sense. But these little rocks that are sitting in the mulch look like they're an afterthought and not of good consequence. Then there's no cohesion between the plants. There's kind of a one-of-the-kind just kind of dotting along. And each of the plants in the foreground are really nice specimens. However, they have no meaning when they're just sitting in a space like this with no relationship to anything else. On this side, we've got a fern that gets full sun all day against a reflective background, and you can see it suffering over there. Whether it lives or dies, that's questionable. And then there's a continuation of one-of-a-kind planting, just dotting this landscape in no particular order and making no sense at all. So, message is either hire a professional or read a good book. And I can recommend my book, Secrets of the Land, Designing Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, as a really good book. This landscape would be quite a bit different if principles that are addressed in my book were followed. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net, or my book, Secrets of the Land, Designing Harmonious Gardens with Feng Shui, available on Amazon. Thanks for listening.